When ethene reacts with chlorine, the name of the compound which is formed is called 1,2 dichloroethane. So this is ethene that is reacting with what? Chlorine to form this compound we are calling 1,2 dichloroethane. How did I know this? I want to teach you how we get to form these chemical names. So what you need to understand, this is the first thing. This type of a reaction, it is called halogenation. So this type of a reaction is called halogenation. So what is an halogenation reaction? An halogenation reaction, this is just a reaction with what? Halogens. Reaction with what? Halogens. I think now you understand. Reaction with what? Halogens. What are halogens? Halogens are group 7 elements. So when an alkene reacts with any group 7 elements, the compounds which are formed will be called in this nature. If there is chlorine, that's the reason why there is chloro here. This is to tell you that there is chlorine. And ethane here, for this to be formed, this is to tell you that you were using what? Ethene. So I'm going to explain all these things so that you understand clearly. So this is halogenation, reaction with halogens. So you first write the structural formula for this so that you understand how the name is coming about. So I'm going to give you a lot of examples so that you may understand this in an easy way. So this is 2 like this, 2 carbons surrounded by 4 hydrogens. So 1, 2, 3, then 4 like this. Then chlorine, I put it here. This chlorine, I put it here like this. So have you seen what is happening is that when an alkene reacts with an halogen, the double bond is broken. We know that alkenes, these are unsaturated hydrocarbons. So under addition reaction of alkenes, you know that an addition reaction is a reaction where a molecule is added to what? A molecule, we are talking about this molecule, added to an alkene, to this alkene, which is unsaturated molecule, by breaking a double bond. So the double bond is broken. So the name now, we focus on where these chlorines are. Have you seen where these chlorines are? Where is this chlorine? On position what? 1. On this carbon chain, so it is on what? It is on 1. Since it is on 1, that's why I will say 1, then comma. The other one is on position what? Position 2. So that's why I'm putting a 2 there. Then I'm calling it di. There are 2. Di what? Chloro. I'm going to so say dichloroethane. The name will now be what? Ethane, because these now are single bonds. Have you seen? This is what you are supposed to know. This is what you are supposed to understand. So if you've got something like this, if you've got something that is like this is how you get to name these things. So you just need to understand this. You've got something that is like this. You've got this carbon chain like this. You've got this carbon chain. So you now have chlorine here, and chlorine is there like that. Then surrounded by hydrogens like this. Hydrogens, another hydrogen this side. So hope you are going to understand. So hydrogens, you've got a structural formula like this. This is a structural formula that you are given like this. Have you seen? This is what you are given. And you are told to name this. How can you name this structural formula? You know that this thing is undergoing what we are calling halogenation, because there is a group 7 element there. So where is it placed? On this carbon chain. 1, 2. On position what? 2. So the name will start with 2, comma. The other one is here. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Position what? Position 5. So since we are talking of chlorine, you say dichloro. So dichloro what? This is what you are going to say. Dichloro. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, you know that it is what? Pentane. So dichloropentane, this is the name, like this. This is what you are supposed to understand. Have you seen? This is how you get to form this. This is how you get to name this. These are simple things that you people are supposed to know. These are simple things that you need to understand. So what if it reacts with another thing? So what if I put bromine here? Have you seen? What if I put bromine here? What is the name? So we are talking about the same thing. What if I put bromine here? Then this one maintains like this. Even here, H. Here I put bromine like this. Here I put H. What if it is like this? What is the name? So before I even continue, if there is one that wants to join us, I do offer tuitions in mathematics, chemistry, physics, and biology at an affordable fee. You can contact me on this number 0971 066747. You can contact me on this same number. I'm here to help you get a distinction. So how can you name this? How can you name this? Quickly, we go into that. How can you name this? So you check. Okay, there is bromine here. So what you're going to do, bromine, the first one is on position what? 1. Carbon chain 1. So you say 1, comma. Where's the other one? Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Have you seen 4? So I put a 4. Then I say di what? This is what I'm going to say now. I'm going to say di what? Di bromo. This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane. So I put a pentane here. So pentane like this. So this is the name dibromopentane. This is how you get to form these things. So I want you people to know this. I want you people to understand this. These are simple things. You can change. What if you change this? We change this. We put them on top there. So it can come in so many ways. You just need to understand this. What if you've got something there, you've got something there, like this, then the other one is here. What is this name? Have you seen? So what will happen? These numbers that we are putting here, they are just telling us where this molecule is, bromine, where it is, these atoms for bromine, where the atoms for bromine are. So this one, the name will change now. The name, you check, okay, bromine is on 1, 2, 3. Position what? Position 3. So meaning it is what? We'll start with 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other one is on position 5. 3, 5. Then I say di what? Dibromo. Dibromo what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms. It is what? Pentane. So meaning that the way this thing has been formed, we add what? We add pentene that reacted with what? That reacted with bromine like this to form this. So pentene is like this. Pentene is like this. Don't be confused. This is pentene reacted with that to form this compound here. Have you seen? This is what we are forming, something like that. This is what you need to understand. This is this. So the names get to differ. It depends with what you are given. So this is what you are supposed to know. This is something that you need to understand. So I want you people to know this. I want you people to understand this. How do we name these things? So this is something that is very simple. This is something that you need to understand. So these are simple things. These are simple things that you are supposed to know. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video and comment.